Our captain of the winning team, Ronaldo Barrett. First of all, big win today. How are you feeling after today's game?
Well, it's a great feeling to know that we're through to the quarterfinals.
All right, so your team came out, after a lackluster game at home at Royal Lakes. What was on your guys' mind coming into today's game?
Well, the main focus was to win the game, which we obviously done, and that was the main focus for today.
All right, so after last game, what was some things that your coach was telling you guys, and how did you feel after last game's performance?
Well, we were disappointed with the last game performance because everyone who wasn't disciplined were doing our own thing, and so we went back to training, and coach spoke to us and told us what to do, and we came out here and did it.
Without giving us too much, what was the game plan coming into today's game?
Well, it's just the same game plan every day. We came out here and won.
Speak to me about your individual performance as captain. How do you say you performed today?
Well, my performance was good in some areas, but I'm pleased with it.
All right, so you guys are through to the quarterfinals. You'll be in a zone with Georges, that we know for sure. What do you think about your upcoming matches against some big teams?
Well, it's not going to be easy. We just have to stick to our game plan and go out there and get the job done.
And today's man of the match, Tajiri Lee. He's had some bumpy games to start the season, but coming up big for you guys today. Speak to us about his performance today.
Well, Tajiri is a good keeper, but we were having some difficulties, which we got over it, so he's here back.
All right, good game and good luck going forward.
All right, thank you.